Welcome back to What's in Your Skillet, Valentine's Day edition. Today we'll be making baked apples with oatmeal and brown sugar crumble. The first thing we'll start with is making the crumble. You'll start by heating your skillet on a very low heat and allowing your butter to melt slowly. Once your butter is completely melted, add in your half a cup of flour and mix it well in the butter first to help it coat, and then add in your brown sugar and your cinnamon and salt. Once the flour, brown sugar, and cinnamon are fully incorporated, set aside and let's get ready for the apples. The next step is the apples. You'll want to carve a bowl into the apple and remove the core, and then thinly slice the bottom of the apple to help it stand. Then you'll mix in your butter and your brown sugar and create a base to coat the apple on the inside and the outside with. Once your apples are complete, add in the cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg into the 1 cup of water and pour into the base of your baking pan. Next, cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the apples are about fork tender. Next, mix the remaining brown sugar butter mixture into the apple pieces that you set aside from the core. Add in your half cup of choice of milk and the apple pieces into the oatmeal and again set aside. Once those 30 minutes are up for the apples, remove the foil and test with a fork. If they're good, add in your oatmeal and the crumble and replace back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once the apples are through baking with the crumble, be sure to let cool before topping with your yogurt and your fruit because the yogurt will definitely run down the side of the apple. Simply enjoy and have a great Valentine's Day.